Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we are going to be using some of our Play-Doh sets to create a delicious Italian meal. And Luigi and Guido are here to make sure that I do a good job. First we'll make some spaghetti. To do that, I used white Play-Doh and put it through the Play-Doh extruder to make spaghetti noodles. Next, I used some red Play-Doh to create tomato sauce. And then I used white Play-Doh and rolled it out into a long tube and cut it out to make Parmesan cheese. Next, we'll make some bread. Smooth out some light brown Play-Doh and cut it into a triangle. And then roll it into a little crescent roll. We'll pop those in the oven, and while they're cooking, we'll make a salad. Make a salad bowl out of Play-Doh like we did. Next, we're going to use our burger maker and 2 different shades of green Play-Doh to make some lettuce. Next, we'll use the tomato press to make some tomatoes. And some orange Play-Doh to make carrot slices. Now let's check and see if our bread is ready. Looks good to me. Let's put some butter on our crescent rolls. And now we have a yummy Italian meal for Luigi and Guido. For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.